Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
One more question that I have is, Colin, should I be paying off my loan or should I be investing? Okay, so looking at the interest rate of the student loan right now is around 4% to 5% to 4.7%. Okay, so it's not that easy a question to answer. Okay, it really depends on the person. Okay, for some people, they rather not owe anything. That means they rather pay off everything, be debt free. Then they think of investing. Okay, that is perfectly fine. It means you just focusing on clearing your loan, become debt free. And then from there you have a clear mind, you need to think of how to invest. Okay, but on the other hand, there are talking about in the returns alone. Okay, if you look at the Singapore index, okay, the returns is about over a long period of time is about 8 to 12%. So compared to your interest at about 4%, it's actually higher if you invest in the stock market. However, it doesn't mean that annualized over 30 years you can get 8 to 12%. It doesn't mean that every year you get 8 to 12%. Okay, there'll be down year, there'll be up years. You must be willing to ride through the number of years, long period of time before you get that returns of 8 to 12%. Okay, so in terms of absolute returns over a long period of time, I think it's better off to invest in the stock market. But if you think that I want to actually clear off my loan, have a peace of mind, then I think of investing also fine. Okay, at the end of the day, you need to ask yourself which part you are better off. Okay, it really depends on the individual.